Hey Nathan, Carlos here with 0 to 100 Marketing, just making that video that we discussed on the phone. First of all, I want to say great job on the website. It's super aesthetically pleasing. It looks great. Testimonials and content, everything's looking pretty good. Um, so usually when I make these videos, I talk about three things, that being content and keywords. That those are two things I lumped into one. Then I talk about backlinks and I talk about citations. I want to go ahead and say that I checked you guys out on this tool called Moz, and you're doing pretty well already in the backlink situation, which is proven by when I type in tree service coming, after all the ads and the map, you guys are right there on the first organic search, which is really, really good. Honestly, that's definitely getting you guys some traffic. But then if I type in Alpharetta, super close by, you guys actually appear on the third page. So boom, Chipper LLC, number 28 in the search on that third page of Google for that search. So obviously with the backlinks game, you guys are doing okay. Don't really need to do too much there. It's never a bad idea to get more, but you guys are already doing pretty well. So why are you guys number one for coming and number 28 for Alpharetta? So that just goes back into keywords, right? So typically what Google likes to see on any website, the average website on the first page of Google has between, oh, I hit the wrong one. It has between 1,500 and 2,000 words. You guys are working with 723, so you're about halfway there. Getting that word count up just to that sweet number that Google likes, between 1,500 and 2,000, is going to help out. But what bringing that word count up does, most importantly, in my opinion, is it gives us space to insert buyer intent keywords in there, right? So, like I was mentioning in uh, tree service Alpharetta, tree service coming, those are two different keywords. You want to insert buyer intent keywords because the difference is a buyer intent keyword is what somebody would type into Google when they have the money to spend on a service and they're looking for someone to do it. So we obviously want to target those. And so to give you an example of how keywords can vary, here we have tree service Marietta with a volume of 50 searches a month. But then if we just alter it a little bit and just add tree service Marietta GA, we got a search volume of 590 a month. Add an S to that service, tree services, we got 260. And then Marietta tree service has 110. So just right there, we got like, I think almost 900 brand new people to go after. So we want to insert keywords into our content organically. We don't want to just randomly say Marietta tree service just out of nowhere, right? We want it to flow in the content. Another way you can get keywords in there is by saving your images as certain things. So rather than Dawn, you could put Dawn tree service Marietta or just tree service Marietta or whatever keywords you're trying to go after. So all these photos are opportunities for you to just rename them for the keywords that you're going after. So that's a cool little trick on getting those. So finally, the last thing I want to talk about is citations. So what a citation is a company's, let me go back to that first page. It's a company's name, address, and phone number, just how it appears here on Google, spread throughout the web. So spread throughout the web in directories. And what those are is just places like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, just anywhere that you can just put your name, address, and phone number. And the more of those you have, the more it's going to help your ranking here on the organic map search. So you want to be on the top 3 for these. So yeah, that's basically all I got for you. Just to summarize, you want to get that word count on your website up between the 1,500 and 2,000 word mark so that you can insert those buyer intent keywords. You can use tools like SEMrush or Moz to do your research. And after you do that, you want to focus on those citations, just getting that name, address, and phone number all over different websites you can get on this map portion. And you're already doing pretty good on the backlinks. It's never bad to keep getting more. But yeah, you guys are kind of killing it in that portion. So yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And if you like what you hear and you want to talk more about it, please feel free to contact me. You can always reach me by phone at 562-999-7844 or at carlos at 0-100marketing.com. All right, Nathan, thanks for your time. Take it easy.